Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's episode, we're gonna check out another Joytoy figure. Not a pilot, not a mecha, it's gonna be a multifunctional vehicle. The Joytoy Tiekui. Or is it called Tiekui? It's actually a Chinese word. So on the box, you can see that there are three different modes: land, sea, and air. Let's open it up. Nothing too special with the packaging, just too plastic. But notice that it doesn't come with an instruction manual, so it's gonna be pretty interesting. Now, first impression, quite nice, grey color with a little bit of weathering and nice wheels. The wheels are actually quite tight. I guess it's not as mobile as it seems, but it looks cool. So now we're gonna take apart everything and try to transform it without an instruction manual. I think I can do this. Let's go. This next part is gonna be super fun because I'm gonna show you part by part on how to assemble a kick-ass vehicle. I'm gonna play some music, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Joytoy Pilot. I'm gonna try to put her onto this vehicle and we can take a look together on how it works. I think it should look pretty good. If you missed this episode, make sure you check out episode 10. Was it right here? Right here? Okay, I saved you some time by skipping the boring part. Now, okay, so take a look at it. I think it looks pretty good. For this 125 scale pilot on this vehicle. Yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? Vroom. Since we're done with the first two modes, the land, the air, the sea, and now we're gonna check out the air type of vehicle. So yeah guys, this is it. This is the Joytoy Tiekui. It's Tiekui, not Taikui. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you want to know where to get Joytoy action figures, this is for my Malaysian people. Make sure you check out citytoys.com. Link in description below. man, I've been doing this for 3 months, right? And sometimes I'm like, and you know what's weird? Okay, I'm just gonna be transparent and tell you what's weird. What's weird is like, for me, I'm not the type of person who likes to talk to myself. I know some of you guys probably like to talk to yourself, but for me, I'm like, I like to keep my thoughts in my head, right? So I'm just like sitting in front of the camera right now and just basically talk to myself. But hey, I hope you guys enjoy my video so far. And like I said, if you want to get Joytoy figures, if you live in Malaysia, make sure you check out citytoys.com, citytoys.com. I think in my previous episode I mentioned that you can actually go to Shopee, but they actually have more stocks in their official website. So make sure you click the link below. I don't have any codes for you. I'm just helping a brother out and his business, right? Yeah, guys, that's it. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I think I'm a few subscribers away from 200, and if you guys can just smash some buttons. That's all, people. Thank you so much. I'll see you the next time, the next episode.